In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to respond to a message. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Messages. You should now arrive at your list of messages. I'm going to click on All. And now I can see all of my messages. Notice some of them have a gray number next to them. Those are messages that can be replied to. If there's a 0, there are no replies, and if there's a number, that's how many replies there are. To reply to a message, click on that message. This message is an employee asking if there's going to be vegetarian options at a company party. To reply to that message, click on Add, and maybe I will say, yes, but limited options. If you changed your mind and you don't want to reply to this message, click Close. I do, so I'm going to go ahead and choose Save. Then to exit out of this window, click Close. And now my reply has been added to this message. Just like with the original message, your reply will have your name, when it was created, and what the message was. That's how you can respond to messages in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to create a new message.